Hi guys, this video is home remedies for treating your dark face. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Yemi's Beautiful. It's a bit cold today. It's been raining all day. You're welcome guys, you're welcome. If you're just seeing my face for the first time, you're welcome. Remember to hit that subscription button and the bell icon. Remember to also thumbs up, yes. And if you know you like to see more of these videos, you can drop you have any suggestions or questions or comment, drop it on the comment section below. Welcome guys. On today's video, this is a promised video from my last video, yes, where I talked about three reasons why we have facial skin, our face gets darker than our body, yes. And so this is the video I promised to put out, yeah, which is home remedies to treat dark facial skin, yes. In the last video it gave us three reasons: the sun, exposing ourselves to too much of sun without sunscreen protection, medication. We have some medications that actually make us our complexion dull, dim, you know, and then harmful cosmetic products, yes. Okay, so on this video I'm going to be giving us three home remedies. Sorry, I like doing three. Okay, yes, three home remedies to treat dark facial skin, yes. After you've suffered this facial, it just go on its own, though it might improve with time. What you need to do, just using home remedies, natural ingredients, yes. Number one, you'll be using your aloe vera. If you have the natural, you have the plant in your house. If you have the plant in your compound or your garden, no problem. But if you don't have, you could use the store-bought one, but I prefer to use the 100% organic, which the ones that I plant, yes. It contains soothing and skin lightening properties. Are you surprised? I have some people that say aloe vera darkens them. I'm sorry, me, it doesn't darken me, it brightens me, yes. I don't know about why some people say it darkens them, but anyways, it has lightening properties, yes, and soothing properties. If you notice, if you have a burn and you apply the aloe vera, my dear, there's not going to be any scar on that place. It will dry up. The aloe vera is going to dry up that burn, that's whether it's hot oil that spilled on your water, and then when it heals, it's going to be clear. You are not going to see any scar. That's what aloe vera does, yes. It clears out your skin. Okay, aloe vera is used to treat hyperpigmentation and burn. Even you have sunburn or you have chemical burns. Sorry that I'm rushing this video. I want it to be very short. Okay, you have chemical burns or sunburn. Using aloe vera is going to treat you. Okay, so for the recipe of how to use aloe vera to clear or to treat dark facial skin, what you should do is you make a mask with 2 tablespoons or 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel, 5 drops of honey. Apply this mask to your face. After 15 minutes, rinse it off with lukewarm water. Yes, if you can do this every day, this product, it's not harmful. It's even if you use it every day till you achieve the complexion you want, it's not going to give you any irritation. It's not, because they are all natural here. No irritation. Yeah, that's that for aloe vera. There are other recipes, but this is one I'm putting out for this video today. Then the next one is going to be yogurt. Yes, unsweetened yogurt, not the sugar or flavored made yogurt. Unsweetened, you can even do your yogurt yourself at home. Yogurt has lactic acids, and you know that it reduces discoloration, just like milk. Yes, that's just how yogurt is. Yeah, it reduces discoloration, dark spots on your skin. This is one natural, very effective home remedy to treat facial skin. What you do, the first, this method for this video, okay, you take 1 tablespoon of yogurt, unsweetened, unflavored yogurt. Yeah, add few drops of lemon juice and a pinch of turmeric. You know what turmeric does for the skin? It repairs the skin, it brightens the skin, it glows the skin. Yeah, just a pinch. Make it, turn it into a paste, apply it to your face, and make sure you have cleansed your face, not on a dirty face, not on a made-up face, makeup face. You understand? Yeah, on a clean face. Wait 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse it off. Yes, that's that for that one. Then the third and not the least is orange peels. Orange peels works great to lighten spots and scars. Yes, orange peels contains high content of vitamin C. Are you surprised? Yes, it does. So if you cannot do your orange peels at home. Okay, let me just tell you how to do it. If you get your orange, just peel it, or whether you want to scrape it, scrape the peels off, sun dry it. If you have a dehydrator, you can do that faster, or sun dry it for 2 or 3 days, then use a grinder, grind it to fine powder. Okay, or better yet, easiest way, just go to your organic skincare sellers, those that sell the organic skincare materials. Ask them for your orange peel powder and get that. So what you do is just apply this with water. Just take maybe a teaspoon and then pour water, make a paste, apply it on your face like a mask. Yes, just allow it to dry. I would say 10 to 15 minutes, depending on whether your mixture is very thick. It could dry off easily, and then you can just peel it off. And remember, you can just pour water, rinse off the parts you could not peel off, rinse it off. Please don't use this more than once a day. Yes, because of the high content of vitamin C. Some people react to vitamin C, you understand? So please don't do it more than once a day. You can do it once a day till you achieve the result. So guys, that's that for this video. If you're just seeing my face for this first time, remember to hit that subscription button and thumbs up, guys. So that's that for this video. I hope you loved my content. Please remember to thumbs up, hit on that bell icon so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you guys for watching. See you on another video. Bye.